On today's menu, a simple and delicious recipe so easy, nothing is impossible. One pan, pasta. Lehoma, I'm Yeung from YoungManCooking.com. Welcome to the channel where you can cook with confidence. Sometimes you just want to make the entire meal all in one pan, and this recipe definitely fits the bill. Let's begin. Three pieces of garlic, roughly chopped. One onion, finely chopped. About 75 grams oyster mushrooms, roughly chopped. Right, so I actually receive a lot of questions about what kind of knives I use, and this one is the Zwilling 8-inch chef knife. This one is particularly from their line of knives that's called Pro, and just to be clear, I'm not a pro chef, this is just what the knife is called. If you're in the market for a new knife, I always recommend actually trying the knife and holding it if possible. And the reason why I say that is because different knives will be better for different hands, if that makes sense, and different styles of chopping and slicing. It's kind of more about what you're comfortable with rather than what the best knife is. This particular line of knives from the Pro line, I really enjoy because they have this beautiful kind of designed groove that connects the blade to the handle. My thumb and index finger falls perfectly on that, and it feels really comfortable for me personally. In fact, I even purchased the paring knife and the bread knife from the same Pro line. But like I mentioned, just because I really enjoy using this particular line of knives, it doesn't necessarily mean it's gonna be for everybody. So definitely take a trip to the store and try to grip them, hold them, feel the balance and the heft. And if it's something that you feel like it's comfortable for you, then that might be your knife rather than the best knife. Sauté pan, medium heat, 2 tablespoons olive oil, onions and garlic, pinch of salt, pepper, saute for 2 to 3 minutes. Two tablespoons capers, 1 teaspoon oregano, 1 teaspoon sweet paprika, saute for about a minute. Oyster mushrooms, .800 ml can pureed tomatoes, two cups vegetable stock, turn the heat up and bring to a boil. Half a pound spaghetti. Gently stir around the spaghetti until softened. When the spaghetti is submerged, stir around for a couple of minutes. Cover and cook on medium-low for about 8 minutes. While we'll wait for that to cook, if you're new to the channel, welcome, I'm glad you're here. Be sure to pick up your free ebook that I've put together just for you that has 5 super easy, unintimidating, plant-based recipes to help you get started with cooking today. I'll leave a link in the description box below for you to check that out. Now let's check out that delicious pasta. Give the pasta a stir and taste to see if it's done. Plate. Fresh cracked pepper. Olive oil. Fresh basil. Man, that looks delicious. Smells amazing as well. This recipe actually makes quite a bit. There's a whole nother portion left in that pan. Amazing. You can now enjoy this delicious pasta with absolute confidence. Was that not easy to make or what? Look at that. Man, not only is that amazingly beautiful visually, but that is so packed with flavor. The pasta noodles are a perfect al dente, and because we cooked everything in the same pan, that starch actually helps the noodles grab onto that delicious sauce. You get so much full flavor from the sauteed onions, the sauteed garlic. That fruitiness of that olive oil goes really well in contrast with the tanginess from the capers. And you get that nice saltiness from the capers as well as that umami from the earthy, delicious oyster mushrooms. The fresh basil just adds that amazing aromatic fresh flavor, and you get that sweetness and a little bit of the acidity from that tomato sauce. You get just a hint of spiciness from the fresh cracked pepper, but those capers really just adds that extra hint of brightness and really lifts up this dish. It's crazy to see how much liquid was actually in that pan, but it gets absorbed into those amazing delicious noodles and turns into this luscious, rich, thick sauce. The sweet paprika adds a hint of pepperiness and adds this beautiful red color. Really does make you feel like you turned your kitchen into an amazing restaurant. Man, I absolutely love easy recipes like that. And if you love easy recipes like me, definitely check out the Vegan Ramen Cookbook or the Cook with Confidence Cookbook along with the Young Man Cooking merch, as well as our plant-based sushi making masterclass, which we recently just filmed a bonus 6th class. To watch the first entire class, I'll leave a link in the description box below where you can check that out. So as always, remember to subscribe, hit that notification bell so you won't miss a single episode.